Listen up, women and men. This goes for both of you. At the start of the dating stage, at the start of the relationship, you have to let people know your boundaries from dead on. If you don't let them know their boundaries, there's no line to... Look, if there's no line to cross, they're going to cross the non-existent line, right? Think about it. If there's no line and it's just a big circle, they're going to just walk around the circle. If you tell that woman, don't call me after 9 o'clock, don't be asking me for money, I will offer you money. You know, don't be telling, or if you say to the guy, you know, don't ask me to cook for you, I cook for you when I want to cook for you. If you give boundaries to these people, you're going to sound like a bitch, you're going to sound like a really bad guy, a bad boy, whatever they want to call it. You're going to sound like the toxic one. But when you put boundaries in place, people will not mess with you. Trust me, they know. They flipping know. They will know. Look, if my man says to me, don't go in my wallet, yeah? Why would I go in his wallet? Because I already know if I go in his wallet, he's gonna get mad at me because he's already warned me. He's told me I've crossed the line, I've disrespected. But if he doesn't say nothing about going through his things, I'm going to go through his things. And this is why narcissists love people like us that don't have no boundaries. We don't tell them what's what. And the thing is, the reason why I've clocked we don't tell them what's what, because why should we? Why should I tell you not to go in my bag? You should just know not to go in my bag. Why should I tell you not to go in my room without me being there and go through my stuff? Because you should just know that. There's certain things that are common sense that people should just know. However, you have to put boundaries in place. It sounds stupid. You know, people say, lock the door before you leave the house. Why should I tell you to do that? That's just common sense. But some people just don't do it. So understand, boundaries are needed in all relationships, you know, platonic, romantic. Tell people wagwan, tell people who you are, what you expect from them, because if you don't, the lines get blurred.